Hey everybody, Randy here from Glacier Wear, coming to you live from our workshop in Greenville, Maine. Hey, today we're going to do a little change up. We're going to show you how to repair pelts, mend them for blocking or stretching, actually before you block and stretch for manufacturing. We're going to use a mink knife. This is the holder. It's a brass holder. It takes a diagonally cut razor blade. It inserts like this, and with the handle. It's the sharpest, finest, easiest to handle knife that can be used for this, for sale on our website. Okay, we're going to swing over to here on this table. Now maybe I can show you a little bit. There's the damage. So what we're going to do is we're basically just going to canoe this out. We're going to, I'll try to work so you can see it on camera. And I'm going to make an incision right above this top hole. I'm going to run right alongside the edge of the remaining holes, come down, make another point, and then we're going to come up, make a point on the top, come down, point on the bottom. So here we are ready for sewing. And I'm going to tuck this one in a little bit. See here. See what we're working with. Just push the fur in. And we're going to do the same thing here. Again, just make a little point, run right along the edge of the hole. Come up. Tee it off. Here we are. Now I'm going to sew it on a fur sewing machine because we have these machines that we use all the time. This can still be hand sewn if you don't have a fur sewing machine. And I'll show you the difference between a fur sewing machine versus a regular straight stitch machine. This needle comes right at you, and it sews over the top of the edge so that you don't have an overlapping seam. Make my eyes a little stronger here. Call it fur pusher. It's just a letter opener. Now I'm going to put the two edges together, insert it in the machine here, make sure there's no fur in my seam. And there you go. Break the knot. Here we are. I'll flatten my seam. Give it a little stretch. And you can see there's really no visible seam or crease. We'll do it again here. Another one. We'll flatten the seam. A little pull. And there you are. Now we'll go on this side. Brush it out a little bit. Again, the fur brushes are for sale on our website also. Now if you look, here's where the damage was, and you cannot see it on this side at all. No damage visible at all. Okay, now we're going to go to a little different type of damage. Now this one has quite a large round hole in it. It's probably 3/4 of an inch by 3/4 of an inch. We wouldn't be able to just divot that out because it's going to leave a big seam and a pucker. So what we're going to do with this one, we'll swing over here. We're going to square it. This is called dropping it out. Now I came across the top, the width of the damage. I'm going to come down to the bottom of the damage. Now I'm going to cut across, basically making a rectangle type cut and hole. So here's what we have now. Okay. So now I'm going to take that and I'm going to cut a long V. You can see that. I'm going to take that out. We'll go back to the machine. And we're just going to move it up. We're going to move this right up to the top seam. I'm going to start at the right hand corner. Pull this a little bit. I'm going to go back over the corner. Okay, now I'll flatten that out. I'll just use my fingernail this time. And we're going to go down the side. Flatten that. Do the other edge. I'm just going to switch this around here. Okay, we'll flatten that seam out. Let's use a little spot here that I missed. Okay, now you'll see that since I moved that triangular piece or pie-shaped piece up, I ended up just having to join the narrowest part right here at the bottom. So it's just, it looks like just a straight line. But you can see what I did. So this V here actually was down here when I started. I moved the whole piece up and then just sewed it closed. Now we'll brush that. And even though I took basically a 3/4 inch square or inch square out, so here's the damage, almost center of back, but it's right under my finger. It's gone. So these, once they're blocked and stretched, you won't be able to see this at all. Okay, so this is an easy way to fix damage. Two easy ways that you can do right at home or in your own shop. And like I said, you can do it by hand or sew with your machine. And that'll take care of our lesson for today. And I just want you all to remember, do not let 2% of the population dictate or legislate what you can eat or wear. You have a great day.